What's up, everyone? We just wanted to show you our new tailgate latch kit for the 67 to 72 Chevy C10s. This kit is designed to replace your old latch and metal rods with a more modern latch and cable setup. We make this kit in-house and it comes complete with everything you need to get the job done. Here's a quick little step-by-step on the process. And stay tuned because we're working on more kits for other makes and models.
Alright guys, that wraps up the install on our new tailgate latches. As you can see, the metal rods are no longer being used. We replaced them with cables, which decreases the noise out in the back. It also shuts a lot easier, not having to slam your tailgate. If you're looking for some more info, go ahead and look at our website at tray5customs.com.